Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a full detailed review about this platform called AI Song Maker. So let's dive into it. The AI Song Maker is a AI powerful music creation tools that aims to turn ideas into full songs with minimal effort. You give it a prompt like genre, mode, tempo and themes, and it generates a complete track with melodies, beat and sometimes even vocal element. So for YouTube creator, indie games thief, social media producer, or you need a original music without copyright hassle, this platform is appealing because you can make catchy background track, short hook in minutes instead of hours. That said, the AI song maker still isn't perfect. Subtitles for human songwriting, it also generates track that can feel repetitive or lack emotional depth, and the vocal may sound synthetic rather than natural. And also the customization option vary by platform and can be limited compared with fully featured digital audio workstation. So in my opinion, the AI song maker is an exciting frontier in AI music generation, especially for fast royalty-free content in 2025. But creators seeking a highly expressive or layered composition might still lean on traditional tools or human collaborators for wonderful and a good quality songs for making content. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. And that's it.